Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, you'll want to open up the Files application, which is located in the Management folder, File Manager. Allow access to storage, and from here you'll have a bunch of different folders, as you can see. And we're right now on the internal storage, which is the storage of the device itself. We also can navigate to an SD card right here. So I'm going to start off by touching upon a couple of folders that might be important to you. Number one would be the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures and videos captured with the device. Then below that we have a not screenshot, but pictures folder, which contains screenshots. Pictures folder basically is repeated right here. It shows us recent right now once you open it up. Anyway, below that we have a bunch of other folders like music, podcasts, ringtones, alarms, and so on. Those for the most part are empty. Nothing really gets saved to them by the device, at least nothing that I can come up from the top of my head. But for the most part, pictures, DCIM, and also if you scroll down, downloads folder are important. And lastly, touching upon the download folder, this one will contain anything that you have obviously downloaded. That can be either through email, web browser, or some other application. If it's being downloaded, it's going to be in this folder. So once you find your files, which mine are in pictures because I'm going to use the screenshots, you want to select them once you find them, and you select them by simply holding it. Or looks like that's not the case here, so let me just figure it out. Okay, so it looks like here we actually first have to select what we want to do, so either copy or move, and then we will be able to select the files. So I'm gonna go with move option, and then we can just select the ones that we want. Now once you have selected your files that you want to copy or move, depending on which option you chose, you will then tap on copy or move at the bottom and choose where you want to move them or copy them to. So you have choice between internal storage, which is where the files are right now located at, and below that we have the SD card. So if you want to move it to a whole new storage, for instance like the SD card, so you can remove it later on, select SD as an example. And on this card there is way less folders. As you can see, we only have Android and some invisible folder. You are able to create your own folders if you want to by tapping right in the corner right here, top right corner. You can name it whatever you want, and once you save it, it adds the folder, and then you can, for instance, navigate to it and tap on OK to drop the files into this folder. And as you can see, there they are in the SD card new folder. And that is basically how you could copy or move any kind of file from one location to another. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.